One truck has the 2024 Tacoma Tacotunes enclosure with the TT10 subwoofer behind the seat, and the other one has a competitor's under the seat enclosure with a JL TW3 10-inch subwoofer. Okay, so today at Red McCombs, I'm here with
Shane.
Okay, Shane, which vehicle do you think provides the most bass output?
Volume-wise and feeling the bass is the orange truck.
Okay. Which one do you think sounds the best overall?
The orange truck picked up a lot lower frequencies, so I guess it would kind of go with more types of music. The bronze truck felt very mid-range bass, kind of like the woofers were smaller. Yeah. So I have had audio systems in vehicles since I could basically drive a car, and I have had JL audio speakers in previous vehicles, and always considered them one of the higher end speakers. But in this particular setup, it just felt like the sound quality and the volume were better in the orange truck, and you could actually feel it in your body, like you could feel the bass. But the mids and highs in this truck, to me, were better.
The bronze truck features Tacotunes 3-way component speakers. The orange truck features Tacotunes 2-way component speakers. All audio components are listed in the description.
Alright, back at Red McCombs today, I am here with
Mark.
Alright, so we just showed you two different subwoofer setups in these trucks. Which one do you think provides the most bass out of the two?
Definitely this one right here.
Which one? The orange one?
The orange.
Okay, and then which one sounds better overall?
Oh man, it's hard to tell on that, because man, the orange one does sound pretty great. The other one does sound a little clearer, but man, this one feels like I'm at a concert, the orange one.
Awesome. Okay, now, one of these setups is half the price of the other. Which one do you think is the cheaper one?
But I guess which one's cheaper one, I would say the other one. Oh wow. There's
all right.
the audio. That's super nice. And they both sounded great. I would easily love any one of these vehicles in my vehicle. I mean, one of these systems in my vehicle personally. It's clean, no distortion, even when you raise it. I feel like you can push it even harder. Just keep on going, sounds clean, driving on a concert every single day.
Subscribe here on YouTube and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Round 2 results are coming soon.